The model of the phone that you can see in my hand is in Vivo Y12s. Now today I'll show you how to make OTG connection properly in this phone. You have to take a pen drive. I put OTG and pen drive together. Then you have to leave the phone. I will take it in my hand and then scroll up from here. Scroll up from here. As soon as I will get scroll up, showing a new page will show in front of me. Then finding settings option. Find settings option and press then settings. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Press then about phone. Showing about phone option, press then about phone. Scroll down, down, and showing a build number option, press then build number. 3 times build number press, and developer option is on. Press again systems and press then developer option. Showing a menu option. USB debugging is on and then OK. Press then USB debugging. USB debugging, press on and press back, then press back and connect OTG and pen drive properly. Connection. OTG and pen drive connected this phone properly. Connected OTG and pen drive. Wait few seconds. Scroll up. Press then settings and search option press. Type OTG. Showing a OTG option. And press then search and press then OTG and showing a OTG option. On this option and press then back and scroll down and USB drive, show option USB drive. Press then USB drive and showing my pen drive file and connect it properly. OTG and pen drive. My pen drive file is now showing and OTG not connected problem is now solved. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel. Showing this pen drive file. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel, and working or not working, writing then comment options.